my name is Morgan. Welcome back to part 3. My stepdad Greg, he opened all the packs to make it quicker. Let's see who we get. Oh, he's really cool. Look into the future. Really cool. Ooh, really cool. Really cool card. Wonder who I'll get. Cool. He's really cool. This one's also really cool. This one's also really cool. Cool. I swear to God. This one is really cool. Ooh, kings.
I think Morgan has a double of a Messier card that you don't have, Ben.
That's Mason.
Oh, I thought it was Ben.
What's going on? Your mom sleeping?
No, she went to the
Penguins?
doctor's with Braden.
A penguins. Penguins. Greg, is there supposed to be 16?
Hmm?
Is there supposed to be 16 in a pack?
15 cards in pack.
I counted 16. Did you take all the white cards out?
No, I'm just going through and sorting them for you. So it's easy to put a set.
Another penguins. Ooh.
Hello?
He's also really cool. He's also cool. So is he. They're all really cool. Ooh, flyers. A flyers card, that's really cool. Is really cool. I love these cards. I've got so many cards now. Ooh, North Stars. Really cool. Him too. Red Wings and North Stars. Really cool. Jets. Really cool. Penguins. Rangers. Really cool. Kings. And penguins. Penguins. Rangers. Rangers are really cool. It's also really cool. This one too. Blues. Really cool. Really cool card. This one too. They are both really cool cards. He's also really cool too. They're both really cool cards. Ooh. Greg, I think these are supposed to be sets.
Yeah. It's all one big set, buddy.
So there's 15 in a pack.
There's 15 in a pack. 32 packs, 15 cards per pack. Trophy again?
Yeah, another trophy. Another double.
Oh, yeah.
He's also really cool. Ooh. He's cool. So is he. They're all really, really cool cards. He's also really cool. We have a special guest, Greg. He's in the background. Ooh, he is cool. He is also cool. We got Callie in the background too. She's my kitty. Cool. This is an also really cool card. They're all really cool though. The Toronto Maple Leafs are my favorite team. The Toronto Maple Leafs are also Greg's favorite team. There's another one. They're really cool. This is also so cool. Another double. Another double in the set.
You got 3 of that one. It's the trophy card.
Not sure if I have him. He's really cool. He's also so cool. He's also cool.
Another pair of brothers coming up.
Yeah. Another pair of brothers. He's really cool. They're all really cool cards though. What?
I wonder how many times you've said cool in this video in the last two. I'm gonna count them when I watch them.
I love the cards.
Yeah? I really like that color.
Yeah, I know. That's a really cool color.
It's a real pretty color.
Yeah, it is. He's really cool too. Ooh, it's cool.
Stay on camera, silly.
Stop!
What?
You're making me laugh.
Because you're funny, so you're making me laugh, which is making you laugh, so then we're laughing.
How am I that funny? I'm not that funny.
Every couple cards. This is cool. This one's also cool. Oh, this is a really cool player. And then you'll see a team that you recognize, like a penguin or a king, and you'll just be like, and this is the pet penguin. This guy's cool because he can't pronounce it. So funny, Morgie.
Stop.
What you are? Show some cards. You're probably at like 8 minutes already.
I am.
You were at 11 minutes already. Oh my goodness. Are we gonna have to do 12 videos of this?
No, I don't want to do 12 videos.
Say video number 3, part 2, which would be video number 4 on deck next. This guy's really cool.
Stop.
Followed by another cool guy.
Stop.
And then just in the pile, and then, oh, this guy's cool.
Hold on, I didn't know the pile was supposed to be that big.
Yeah. You make them as big as you want. I just made one big pile for you, and then we just keep chopping it down so you can show them.
Ooh, another.
San Jose shark.
Yes. Another penguin.
See, like penguins, sharks, leafs, and kings so far.
Another shark.
Is that because you like the animal for the mascot, like a penguin for the penguins, or because you like the colors?
I like the colors very much.
And you like the penguin?
Yeah. Another shark.
Shark.
Ooh, this time it's a blue one.
Also a San Jose shark, followed by another San Jose shark. Holy, that was a San Jose pack.
Ooh. One. He's cool.
Okay, we're gonna have to stop this video and then make another one.
Cool.
So at this rate, you're gonna have probably 4 more videos to do. So say bye, video number 4 on deck.
Okay.
Tell them.
Bye. We're making part 4.
Because yeah, that's like 13 minutes.